Today I'm about an hour outside Edmonton, Alberta, and believe me when I tell you, we are in for a real treat. Behind me is a custom Alpine 882 from Modern Modular, and there's a lot going on with this home. The original plan when I came out to Edmonton was to see the looking glass and then spend some time at the factory seeing what they got going on there. But I got talking to Dustin and he said he had a home that was just finished with a customer moving in. Long story short, here we are. The customer is in the process of moving in and he's been nice enough to let us have a look around. So what we've got here is the 882. It's 882 square feet. Typically this home would come in two 10.5-foot wide modules, but because we're in Alberta, they can ship a 21-foot wide home in one piece. Well, you might be thinking, there's no way that this structure ships down the highway in one piece, and yes and no. So from here down is the basement that they've built on site, doubling their square footage, and from here up is what actually arrived to this job site in one piece. You heard that right. This is a very cool home, both inside and out. So what I thought I would do is take a tour around the outside. I can talk about some of those features, and then I'll head inside, talk about what this customer changed, what would have come standard with the floor plan, and we'll just have a look around. The way they have this home set up on the property, you approach from the back, and as you can see, there's about a half set of steps up to the back door, and this is something they do that's kind of cool for Modern Modular. So that right there is built on site after the home's delivered and craned onto the foundation. That's where they've got this interior stairwell. So when they put a home onto a basement, they do that so that they're not taking space out of the interior to get to the basement. I think that's quite smart. Let's head around the outside and have a look at what they got going on here. So everything from Modern Modular is steel frame, same as this one. They've got metal siding, and look at this. Can you believe that that top black section was delivered in one piece? 21 feet, imagine that coming down the road at you. So on the side, you've got a window that's kind of into the living space, I believe. We'll find out more as we go inside. Trucking through the snow, so hopefully I don't eat it here. Coming around this side, this is the front of the home, and this is gonna have a nice big deck there. They've got 3 sliding glass doors. Check this out. So this space right here, that's gonna be into like a gym section. On the original floor plan, that would have been the second bedroom. The middle door is into the living room. And then on the left over there, they have got sliding glass door into the bedroom. The deck spans the entire length of the home. There's a nice shot, kind of just showing the color scheme they've picked for this home. Coming around this side, see what we got going on. I like the roof line on the Alpine Series. I think that looks quite cool. You know, rather than a typical peak, it just gives the home a little more character. There we are. Okay, so on this side, they've got a window into the stairwell, which is always nice to brighten things up as you're going downstairs. Gonna loop around the back, and then we will duck inside and check out this custom Alpine 882. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that from the outside, because it's one of my favorite features that they do here at Modern Modular. Definitely worth a mention. It's a backsplash window. Here we go. Just before I head into the custom 882, I thought it might be a worthwhile exercise to have a look at the original 882 plan so that we can compare the two. Nice to know what's included in the original plan, don't you think? Before customization, the 882 is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and the way they have it set up is with bedrooms on either end of the home. The main bedroom has an ensuite with a closet, and one of the things that I really like about that ensuite is the windows. Keep an eye out for that. The middle of the home is where you'll find the living room and kitchen. Changes were made to the custom 882 kitchen to allow for a staircase outside of the dimensions of the home to get to the basement. So definitely have a look at how this kitchen and coffee bar are set up, because it's not the same in the one we're about to see. It's noted that the 6-foot sliding glass doors in the bedrooms are an upgrade, even though they're shown on the plan. All right, that's enough of that. Let's get in there and check this thing out. So walking in the front door, you'll see a fridge. Now that isn't part of the plan here. That's actually going back. But past that, you'll notice a wide open living room with the sliding glass door. Go out there down to the deck, check that out. This fireplace was added after the fact by the customer, and as I pan around this way, you'll see what would have been a bedroom, but they've taken it out. That's part of the customizations that they've made here, and this is going to be more of a workout area. Another sliding glass door there going out to the yard. Heading back this direction, you get the first look at the main bedroom on that side, but I'm going to loop around and head into the bathroom. The change made in here was it does come with a shower. However, they've taken that out and opted for a closet. So you've got the washer dryer there, and that's where the shower would go, but that's a change that this specific customer has made. Now, coming around this way, here's a look at that window that I was talking about that I like so much from Modern Modular. I guess you could call it a backsplash window. I'm not going to open any of these cabinets because, like I said, the customer is in the middle of moving in and he was nice enough to let us come through. So we're going to respect his privacy in that way and not open too much. We're just going to look at this home and check out the floor plan. So typically, if this wasn't going on a basement, these cabinets would extend all the way down to that end wall, and the fridge would be on this wall as well. But because it is on a basement, they've moved this or added these cabinets over here, and the fridge has been moved to this wall, and that allows for this section right here where you have access to the basement, which is right now unfinished. So if we pan up, you'll see because of that roof line, you get an extra window up there. Pot lights through the ceiling. Now let's head this direction down into the main bedroom. Again, he's just in the middle of moving in, so no bed, but he does have a chair there. Sliding glass door out to the deck. Gonna need some steps down there unless he's got something else planned that I don't know about. I'm not entirely sure. So if I loop around this way, you can see that the main bedroom has an ensuite with a ton of storage on either side. I think one of these is actually a mechanical room, but again, I'm not gonna go snoop around in his stuff. We're just here to check out the home, check out the floor plan. So down here on the left, this is the shower right there. It's got a toilet over here, and then the vanity. Let's see what they got there. Double door vanity right there. Mirror to be installed. Now again, some natural light coming up into the bathroom in the form of a window up there. Let's head back. Oh, actually, you know what? There is another window right up there as well. So you got natural light coming in on both sides of this bathroom. So we'll go back this way, check out that view. Very nice. And then we'll get another look at the living room. Now picture the workout area over there. All in all, this is a very spacious floor plan. This is the Alpine 882 with some custom modifications near Edmonton, Alberta. Very cool. Well, that's it for me here at this custom Alpine 882. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Big thank you to the customer for letting me have a quick look around and showing off this brand new home. It turned out awesome. As always, when someone lets me into their home to do a tour, I don't get into the pricing because, quite frankly, it's none of my business. And Modern Modular has all their pricing available right on the website. So if you're interested, you can check it out there. That's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.